How do I get my business site higher in Google? Part 9. This is the last part, everybody. I'm going over 29 tips on SEO when building a website. This article is on our Intro Designs website. The link to it is going to be in the notes or caption, wherever it might be for the video that you're watching. If you're on the podcast, go to portbell.com, and under Success Tips, that's our blog, you'll be able to find a link to the article. And of course, click Join the Club, and that way you'll be one of the first people that will find out when our new videos, podcasts, articles come out. Today I'm going to start with number 21. Got to scroll down a bit to get it. There it is, 21. Place keywords throughout the text of your web page. Keywords can and should be placed in the normal text of your website. If your H1 tag says, I sell widgets, but your text is about plumbing in New York, the search engines are going to know something's wrong. Keep the keywords in your text similar to the ones in your heading tags, and you'll get higher in the search engines. Number 24, develop a link building plan. Backlinks, like link building, link juice, it all means the same thing. A website has a link that goes to your website. That's it. But it's critically important. One of the ways that search engines use to verify your site is legitimate. Who would link to a website that isn't? Develop a plan to build links. Look for complementary businesses. A plumber might trade links with a local electrician. You can get links from your local chamber of commerce and other organizations, etc. Be sure to pick people you trust to link to you. And number 25, the higher quality of the link, the better. Google would place a much higher priority if you were being linked from the White House or Microsoft than it would if the local drug dealer linked to you. Yes, they know the difference. Of course, here in Washington State, where marijuana is legal, they have drug websites, and so I don't know where to go with that. The more popular the website is that you're linking to, the higher your domain score will be in Google. And the higher the domain score, the more likely you will get to the top of the search engines. Hey, thanks for watching or listening to me speak, I guess I should say. Again, go to portbell.com. Under Success Tips, click Join the Club, and you're going to be one of the first people to find out when I do new videos, articles, podcasts, whatever it might be, things that are going on with us. And remember, check out my book, Timeless SEO Secrets. I just updated that for 2020, and so the new version just came out. Hope you all have a great day, and I'm not sure what my next set of videos will be yet, but again, if you hit Join the Club, you'll find out as soon as it comes out. Thanks.